Hey, this is Steve Muller from Keller Williams Realty South Park and Team Steve Realtors here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And I want to give you a real quick update on what the real estate market's doing here in the Charlotte metro area. And I'm going to compare stats from September 2014 with stats from September 2015 in Mecklenburg County, which encompasses the majority of the Charlotte metro area. So to start with, the amount of homes for sale dropped 24.3%, which is a very, very large number. The month supply of inventory actually went down 34%. We're presently at 3 months inventory, which is a very strong seller's market. The average sales price is up 7% to just over $260,000. And then pending sales was up a staggering 23%. 1,662 homes went under contract in September. And then finally, closed sales were up 12%. 1,650 homes closed in Mecklenburg County last month. These are very good indicators that the Charlotte real estate market is going to continue being extremely hot through the rest of 2015 and, in my opinion, through at least the beginning of 2016. Some may want to know what exactly this means if they own a home in Charlotte. And what I like to tell those folks is that if they've even considered selling their home, I believe now is the time to do it. I believe that now we're actually approaching the peak of the market, and the reason I say that is because of supply and demand. Right now we have a very low supply, a very high demand, which means that prices are actually getting pushed up because of that. But my main concern is that as inventory levels continue to slide, there aren't going to be homes for people to buy that are actually out there actively looking to purchase a home. Eventually they're going to get frustrated, and what are they going to do? More than likely they're going to have to rent homes, and if that's the case, then it will actually remove much of the buyer pool from the market, which will then actually slow it and then stabilize prices. So again, I think that we're starting to approach the peak, and if you have a home that you've even considered selling, I really think it's a good time to do that. Many folks also say, hey Steve, it's October already, and the market normally slows at this time of the year. And traditionally, yes, the numbers are a little bit lower at this time of the year than they are in, say, the spring, when everybody believes that's the spring, the best selling time, the best time to sell a home. But what we actually see is that in the fall, and especially this year, that the competition actually goes down. In fact, your competition is going to be way down at this time of year, and once again, we have high demand, low supply. If you have less supply even than we did last year, what does that mean? More than likely that means a higher sales price for you. So again, I think it is an excellent time to go ahead and sell. And there also is a really good potential that we could sell your home now and have you in another home by the holiday season, because the average days on market in Mecklenburg County is only 45 days. So, again, there's a very good possibility we could have you in a home by the holiday season. Finally, the interest rate slid just a little bit last month whenever the stock market dipped a little bit. So we're right just under 4% right now. So it really is a good time to purchase if you're thinking about buying. And realistically, the affordability index in the Charlotte region is very, very strong. So, we haven't seen that huge appreciation like other places in the country have. So it still really is a good time to buy if you are actually a buyer as well. As always, I hope this information helps you. I would love to be the first person you call if you have any interest in selling your home or purchasing a home. We have a staff of 7 people here that would be more than happy to answer any questions you have or any questions that your friends, colleagues, and family may have. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope to speak with you soon. Take care.